I actually won something from a contest at McFarlane toy store. It's an online website, and I actually won something. This is from last January. So let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I like it. Oh. Oh. This is nice. Thank you, McFarlane. Oh, these are gold labels toys from McFarlane. So let's take a look. So it actually says there, contest winner. So I'm gonna keep this. So we have a Shazam Multiverse. It's a gold label collection from a gold label collection. So it's very nice. This is from the series of DC Rebirth. So it's very cool. What do you think, guys? Should we open it? Maybe not right now. Let's go. It's only two. And then we have the Dark Flash. And this is from the series Speed Metal. Oh. Ominous. Intimidating. There's three of them. I think we can open this one at a later date and we'll see how it goes. And I haven't seen this in the store, from the stores. Dark Flash. Get that. Cool.